Streamline and simplify document management with the power of DocuSign eSignature and Microsoft 365 integrated into one solution. S-Drive, the highest-rated document management solution on AppExchange, just got even better. Now you can solve the biggest document management challenges quickly and easily by leveraging eSignature functionality and Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint seamlessly into the S-Drive platform. Send documents and agreements for eSignatures with an added layer of security via DocuSign. Make sure critical documents aren't changed or altered after approval. More security, less risk to automate workflows and route documents effectively. Save time by eliminating repetitive manual tasks that result in errors and increased risk. Content authoring is easier now too. S-Drive's online document editing feature allows users to edit any Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files within S-Drive. Without having to download, edit, and re-upload them into Salesforce. How's that for efficient? Select users, give differentiated authorizations, check who is editing the document, and see the version history. Easier collaboration and better security, all in one solution. Finally, streamline and increase the efficiency of your document and file management with S-Drive's integration with DocuSign eSignature and Microsoft 365 integration. Get started now.